Bellacorp tire pressure monitoring system can protect your towing rig, your trailer, and your livestock while you're towing. And it does this by putting you in charge of the tire pressure and the tire temperature in both your tow truck and in your trailer. And the first reason this is important is because we frequently put off checking our tire pressures. We shouldn't, because they need to be spot on both for mileage and for safety. A tire that starts off underinflated can get hot and create a blowout. So that's the first reason for Bellacorp tire pressure monitoring system. The second reason to be in charge and to know about your tire pressures and your tire temperatures is road hazards. Nails, bolts, you've pulled them all out of your tires, and when you're going down the highway, sometimes you're going a little faster than maybe you should. If you hit one of these hazards and you have a sudden blowout, every second counts, and our tire pressure monitoring system will tell you immediately if there's been a puncture and a fast inflation. So you can pull over and you can avoid an accident or maybe something worse. So it gives you the peace of mind of both starting out with properly inflated tires. It gives you the peace of mind of knowing that if you hit a hazard, that you'll know as quickly as possible. Let me show you how it works. When you get the system, this is the monitor that you place in your truck. There's a suction cup for the windshield. There's also a permanent mount where you can put it on your dash or someplace convenient where you don't have to see the monitor all the time. It's a tire safety assistant to you. The whole idea is that it comes on when you get in the truck, and it's always monitoring your tires, and you really don't have to fool with it. We don't want you to have to fool with it. So when you get the system, you take this out, and the sensors that go on the tire, you screw them into the proper position that's in the manual, and it takes about 20 minutes, and then there's a couple of button pushes here where you set your tire alarms, either high pressure, and the most important is low pressure, and it monitors the temperature as you go. So let me show you just quickly how it would work. I'm going to use a bicycle tire for convenience so you can see how it goes. So the temperature of this sensor is 77 degrees, and it's 44 pounds. So if there was a sudden deflation, you would see that there's an alarm and a light comes on to tell you that there's a sudden deflation. Okay, so I screwed the sensor back in, and again you can see 44 pounds and 75 degrees in temperature. So the Bellacorp tire pressure monitoring system keeps you in touch with your tires and the temperature and the pressures, and it's full time all the time. And for the cost of a few tanks of diesel, you can add the protection to your livestock and to your very valuable trailer and your very valuable tow truck, and it will just give you the peace of mind to get in your truck and go down the highway. So you can purchase our product exclusively on Amazon fulfillment. Just look at, when you go to Amazon, search for Bellacorp TPMS or Bellacorp tire pressure monitoring system, and it'll take you to our product page. You can buy 8 sensors, 6 sensors, 10 sensors, 4 sensors, whatever you think your need is. And thank you for your time.